chorus.
What your needs are for. Dear Mom and Dad, please send money. I'm so broke that it ain't funny. Well, I don't need much, just enough to get me through. Please don't worry, cause I'm alright. See, I'm playing here at the Berry tonight. This time we're gonna make our dreams come true. I love you more than anything in the world. Love your baby girl. I know that I'm on my way. And I can tell every time I play. I know it's worth all the dues I pay. When I can write to you and say, Dear Mom and Dad, I'll send money. I'm so rich that it ain't funny. But it'll be more than enough to get you through.